Okay, Q&A.
Yeah.
These are the contact information. What happened here? So anyway, if you want to discuss any of these points more in details, I will be really happy to reply to you through emails or even to schedule a call to discuss it.
I suggest you would choose
Okay.
four.
I try to address all of them. So
Just choose 3-4 questions, please. Okay.
okay. Okay. Well, I want to start from the beginning. So, first of all, Anand, yeah, when I talk about GDPR compliant technology, I mean use cases, of course. That's exactly what I think I say at one point. We cannot have a GDPR compliant internet or we have GDPR compliant artificial intelligence. We do have use case. We do have solutions. So we need to really build a blockchain solution that is compliant. And we also need to understand which data privacy is the one that is going to be applicable in that specific use case. So it really, everything happen on a case-by-case analysis. That's why also we don't have so much guidance on that, because it really depends. I see from my experience, what I'm experiencing at the United Nations, that really it depends on the use case. In our case, we do have supply chain environment. So we talk about blockchain in supply chain, and it's completely different from cryptocurrency, let's say. So it really depends on the sector and on many other different aspects that need to be taken into consideration. Now, so scribble in corporal, let's see, well, yes, so yeah, actually, these will impact as well. There is a question on financial, any best practice for those privacy technique? Yes, knowledge birth, yes, there are. I can share that online. There was really not the time to make an, let's say, example, but there are some best practice that we could definitely, if you want to send me an email, I will be very happy to reply and to give you like lots of information about it. Okay, and then let's see, because it's very small, this, how can I put it bigger? No, there is no way. Let's see, you could attach, let's say, Carl, you could attach where the data is coming from, because you have consumer protection law for humans and also for machine, not the same thing. What do you mean exactly? Because I don't know if Carl is there and he can interact with me maybe. But of course, you need to consider not just data privacy regulations, but you need to consider also consumer protection regulation. There are many different, when we talk about, we need to discuss about antitrust as well. Also, during this masterclass, we have seen aspect related to personal data. But then when we discuss about data in a blockchain environment, we discuss also about confidential information, like business confidential information. So there we're discussing about data, but we're not discussing about personal data. Still, there are rules that needs to be respected. There are like concern that are different, that need to be considered, and they're different. We're not discussing about personal data and that kind of concern. So yes, of course, there is not, we just not have to look at data privacy legislation, but we need to look at different laws, even consumer protection law, definitely. Then someone is mentioned VChain for supply chain, right? Yes, they did a lot. I'm here. Carl. I don't know if you can interact.
Claudia, suggest to move forward to other questions.
Okay. I think they are all. I think I answered them all, basically.
Awesome.
Okay.
So thank you very much. Any final remarks on the session today?
For me,
Yes.
yeah, that I really actually enjoyed it. It was great to be here with all of you, and that really this is a very, very important topic that will need maybe even more time to just think about, and it is a real and current compliance challenge for both public and private distributed ledger technology implementation, I would say, and such compliance cannot be just backfilled, let's say, into an ecosystem. So privacy by design, that is really a mantra for privacy regulators, should really be a key consideration when implementing a blockchain solution.
Thank you very thank you, Claudia. Couldn't agree more with you. Thank you very much for an excellent session today. We have another masterclass with you very, very soon. So it was just a warm up. And thank you all for joining us today, and keep safe. Bye-bye.
Bye.